Hello everyone, and thanks for joining us for this quick road assessment of Highway 59 and overlapping Interstate 69. Today we'll take a deep dive into the current condition of Highway 59 and Interstate 69. We'll examine all potential problems and uncover any likely issues that you may face as you travel on Highway 59 and Interstate 69. Without further delay, let's dive in. Highway 59 and Interstate 69 are in very good condition. For the most part, drivers will experience an occasional skid mark. The skid marks on Highway 59 and Interstate 69 can tell an important story about what happened on the road. These black tire streaks are often left behind when a driver suddenly brakes hard or loses control of their vehicle. Long, straight marks may suggest high-speed braking, while curved or erratic marks could indicate swerving or a loss of traction. Also, drivers may notice the concrete discoloration seen along Highway 59 and Interstate 69. It is a common sight on heavily traveled roads. These patches or blocks often result from a mix of factors: vehicle oil and fluid leaks, tire wear, weathering, and even past construction or repairs. Over time, rain, sun exposure, and constant traffic cause concrete to fade unevenly, leading to visible variations in color. Moreover, heavy traffic congestion is a daily reality for many commuters who travel on Highway 59 and Interstate 69. As one of Houston's major north-south roads, Highway 59 and Interstate 69 carry a high volume of cars, commercial trucks, and local traffic, especially during peak rush hours. Bottlenecks often form near major interchanges, construction zones, and areas with frequent on and off ramps. Accidents and stalled vehicles can quickly worsen delays. Despite ongoing infrastructure improvements, the sheer volume of vehicles makes Highway 59 and Interstate 69 one of the region's most congested routes, reflecting the challenges of rapid urban growth and high commuter demand. However, let's take a moment to appreciate not only the smooth pavement, but also the broader landscape of transportation in Houston. The city's infrastructure is a testament to both ambitious engineering and ever-evolving urban planning. From well-maintained highways like Highway 59 and Interstate 69 to innovative traffic solutions, Houston continues to set benchmarks in mobility and safety. But of course, road conditions can change unexpectedly. That's why staying informed is crucial, whether you're a daily commuter or embarking on a cross-country adventure. By making a habit of checking the Trip channel for the latest road reports and updates, you'll be prepared for construction zones, weather disruptions, and any detours that might pop up along your way. Did you know Highway 59 and Interstate 69 overlap in Houston? That's because Highway 59 and Interstate 69 are being built along the same existing route as part of a long-term plan to create a continuous interstate from Mexico to Canada. Houston is on track to become the most populated city in America within the next 50 to 75 years, according to multiple projections. With this explosive growth comes massive changes to its already sprawling transportation network. Studying Houston's roads today offers a rare opportunity to observe how a major urban highway and street system evolves in real time. You get a glimpse into how Houston manages congestion to adopting new technologies like autonomous transit and smart infrastructure. Whether you're an urban planner, civil engineer, or just a curious observer, Houston is a living laboratory for the future of mobility in America. Did you know Houston, Texas is home to the widest freeway in the world? A section of Interstate 10 in Houston near the Galleria stretches up to 26 lanes wide. The lanes include the main lanes, the frontage roads, the HOV lanes, and toll lanes.
Please keep in mind to check the Trip channel before you travel to your next destination. The Trip channel will help you plan smarter, safer routes. By checking the Trip channel regularly, you can avoid rough or blocked roads, adjust your timing, and prepare for any challenges ahead. A few minutes of planning can save hours of frustration and help keep you and your passengers safe on every trip. Also, the Trip channel isn't just for planning. It's also a great way to reconnect with streets you know and love, Whether it's the route you took to school, the road to your favorite diner, or that scenic stretch you once drove at sunset, the Trip Channel lets you see what's changed and what stayed the same. Take a moment to reminisce and explore familiar paths from a fresh perspective. Sometimes the best trips are the ones down memory lane. And by the way, if there is a street that you want us to assess, please mention it in the comments section on this video. If you enjoy this video and find its content helpful, please hit the like button. We would appreciate it very much. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming road assessments. If we haven't been in your town yet, we will be very soon. Thank you for watching the Trip Channel.